The batch editor. Here we have a Tekla model with identical assemblies. If I launch the new batch editor command and select those elements, we can then see that those elements are all identical, and we can walk up the list and see the position of every one. If I now change one of those assemblies to be different to the others, so in this case we'll change directions and we'll change the vertical member as well, so it's a different size and a different color. That assembly is now no longer identical to the others. If we run the batch editor again, we can then say, okay, change all the other assemblies to match the edited new assembly. So now you can see that all of the assemblies are identical to the edited assembly.